How do you solve this? Pag-usapin natin yan sa video na ito. Now, this may look complicated and marami ang mga lumalapit sa akin na natatakot sa age problems, but they're actually really fun to do. Lalo na if you have your basics sorted out. Isa sa pinaka-importante na konsepto dito is equation construction or translating yung word problem into an equation. And it's really easy to do. Na kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung full video lesson ko noon, pakihanap na lang. But i-demonstrate natin dito by looking at Tina's age. Sabi dito, Tina's age is, which means equal, or is equal to, 5 more than, which means addition, twice, which is 2 times, Uzziah's age. So, pwede natin yung tawaging U. Now, this right here becomes Tina's age. Later on in the problem, ang sabi, ang combined age nila ay 44. Pag sinabi natin combined age, ibig sabihin nun, pinagsama natin yung edad ni Tina, which is 5 plus 2U, at yung edad ni Uzziah, which stays as U. At yan daw ay 44. Right there, meron ka na agad na equation na pwede mo nang isolve. Now, of course, kung ayaw ninyo ng algebra, there are other ways to solve age problems, including the block method, which I taught in one of my live lessons din dito. And, of course, the table technique, lalo na kung may options naman sa exam. Those could even be faster than this. But for now, let's solve this. Itong U na yan ay merong 1 dyan. Pagsasamahin natin sila. 2U plus 1U is 3U. Again, i-add mo yung numbers, tapos kokopyahin mo yung apelido nila. Tapos, i-add natin ang 5. Equal daw yan sa 44. Now, ang goal natin sa equations ay maiwan lahat ng mga may letra sa isang side. So, tatanggalin natin yung 5 na yan by subtracting 5 sa side na to and subtracting 5 sa side na ito. Pwede na natin yan tanggalin and we will be left with 3U is equal to 39. We divide both sides by 3 para makancel natin ito. And we will be left with U is equal to 13. Now, kung U ay 13, at ang hinahanap natin is how old is Tina, not Uzziah, hindi 13 ang sagot. Ang sagot is what will happen if we substitute 13 dun sa 5 plus 2, U or 2 times 13. Saan nanggaling yan? Ito pa rin, yung edad ni Tina na una nating na-figure out. So now we have 5 plus 26 or 31. This is Tina's age. Yan ang sagot natin. May seem complicated, pero once you get the hang of it, mag-enjoy ka na. Alright, now it's your turn. Anong sagot dito? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.